Hi, this is Peter Henry, founder and managing partner with Act 5 Ventures here in the San Francisco Bay Area. I'm here to introduce a company that we've been working with for several months now to help them get ready for and execute on their initial capital raise to take the platform they've built for event management, host management, and deliver it to first the Los Angeles marketplace to test and prove the capability for growing and developing a huge customer base, and then capitalize it further with an additional $2.4 million in equity to deliver scale, growth, and the service that this marketplace so very much needs. So Act 5 delivers syndicated investments. We lead investments by bringing the best investors from venture firms, angel groups, individual investors, family offices, and so forth to the best deals. And we look for several very specific things. We look in particular for a great vision, a very clear and very detailed understanding of the market, the right team, and ultimately the right strategy for both developing, introducing, and growing the business while remaining flexible over time in order to address the evolution, especially in new categories like a vertical marketplace for event management, where the competition is simply too generic and too not bespoke enough, if you will, to really provide what customers really need. And of course, the fifth element, the fifth act we like to call it, is having the economics of a deal that will work, will provide for capitalizing the effort, but also provide an appropriate risk-assessed, risk-reduced return to investors. Why I like Eventerprise is because they bring all of these things to the table, having already invested over $1 million US and over 2 years of their time developing a technology platform for delivering this capability, but also developing the engagement model and seeding that space, that source of providers of capabilities, from vendors to specific merchants to planners and so forth, all within the scope of a platform that's already feature complete, not just an MVP. So the investors that we bring to the table have shown great enthusiasm for this, and we're working on wrapping up the first close of the initial $600,000 bridge note. And I'm tremendously proud to be a part of this process because while all of those 5 elements I mentioned are important, I'm most impressed with the fact that this team has all of the elements and has all of the entrepreneurial spirit and the experience to make this product and this platform and this marketplace work and work well. So congratulations to Eventerprise, for getting this far. And I'm looking forward to being on this journey through the long haul and helping to see this be the next big success within the new platform economy, bespoke marketplaces. And that is something that I think everyone watching this should take into account and consider getting involved in. Thanks so much.